Do you ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the week? Between work, emails, planning, and just trying to keep life together? It's exhausting. What if I told you that you could literally save 5 hours a week just by knowing the right ChatGPT prompts? That's exactly what I'm breaking down today. 10 simple prompts that can streamline your workflow, save your sanity, and free up time for the stuff that actually matters. So grab a notebook because these are going to change the way you work. Prompt 1, the Daily Planner Prompt. Act as my productivity assistant. Based on my tasks for today, paste your tasks, create a prioritized daily schedule with realistic time blocks, including short breaks. This takes a messy to-do list and instantly turns it into a structured plan you can follow. No more wasting half an hour deciding what to do first. ChatGPT handles it in seconds. Prompt 2, the Email Reply Generator. You are my professional email assistant. Draft a polite, concise response to this email. Paste email. Keep it under 150 words and maintain a professional but friendly tone. Emails can eat up hours of your week. With this prompt, you drop in an email and ChatGPT spits out a ready-to-send draft. All you do is tweak if needed, copy, and hit send. Prompt 3, the Meeting Notes Summarizer. Summarize the following meeting transcript into clear bullet points of key takeaways, decisions, and action items. Paste transcript or notes. Instead of reading through messy notes or hour-long transcripts, you instantly get a tidy summary. If you've ever left a meeting thinking, wait, what are we actually doing? This prompt is your solution. Prompt 4, the Research Shortcut. Give me a summary of the top 5 most important points about topic. Present them in bullet points with examples, and suggest one practical next step. Whether you're diving into a new industry, prepping for a project, or just trying to learn quickly, this prompt cuts hours of Googling down to a quick, actionable overview. Prompt 5, the Meal Planner Prompt. You are my meal planning assistant. Create a 5-day dinner plan that is quick to cook, budget-friendly, and uses overlapping ingredients to reduce waste. Provide a shopping list at the end. Think about how much time you spend deciding what to eat, writing grocery lists, and avoiding food waste. This one prompt saves you multiple hours every week, and it keeps you from standing in the kitchen wondering, what's for dinner? Prompt 6, the Workout Designer. Design a 20-minute at-home workout for fitness goal, e.g. strength, fat loss, mobility. No equipment required. Include a warm-up, main routine, and cool down. Scrolling YouTube for workout videos can eat up your entire workout window. Instead, ChatGPT gives you a clear, efficient plan instantly. You just follow along and save time. Prompt 7, the Learning Accelerator. Explain topic you want to learn to me as if I'm a beginner. Then give me a step-by-step learning plan with resources I can use for 15 minutes a day. This is like having a personal tutor who organizes the exact learning path for you. No more wasting hours wondering how to learn something. You just start. Prompt 8, the Travel Planner. Plan a 2-day itinerary for city. Include must-see attractions, good local restaurants, estimated travel times between places, and one hidden gem. Planning trips can take forever. Comparing reviews, searching maps, and juggling schedules. With this, you get a realistic itinerary in minutes. More time exploring, less time stressing. Prompt 9, the Content Brainstormer. Generate 10 engaging content ideas for your niche or platform. Each idea should have a catchy title and a one-sentence description of why it would resonate with the audience. If you're creating videos, posts, blogs, or even newsletters, you know how much time brainstorming eats up. This prompt means you'll never stare at a blank page again. Prompt 10, the Time Audit Coach. Act as my productivity coach. Based on this list of how I spent my last 3 days, paste activities, identify where I wasted the most time, and suggest 3 practical fixes. Sometimes the biggest time saver isn't about automating tasks, but about cutting the ones that don't matter. This prompt shows you exactly where your hours are going and how to reclaim them. Recap plus call to action. So let's quickly recap. Daily Planner Prompt. Organize your day. Email Reply Generator. Cut email time. Meeting notes summarizer. Get the key takeaways fast. Research shortcut. Learn in minutes, not hours. Meal planner prompt. Save time and reduce waste. Workout designer. No wasted time hunting workouts. Learning accelerator. Structured personal growth. Travel planner. Effortless itineraries. Content brainstormer. Instant creative ideas. Time audit coach. Find and fix hidden time leaks. That's 10 ChatGPT prompts that can easily save you 5 hours. Probably more, every single week. Now imagine what you'd do with those extra hours. Spend time with family, learn a skill, or just finally relax. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button so more people can discover it. And if you want more practical AI tips to work smarter, not harder, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.